So, hello everyone. The name of experiment is subqueries and correlated subqueries. Aim is to demonstrate the working of subqueries and correlated queries in SQL. A subquery in SQL is a query within a query. Subqueries are nested queries. It provides data to enclosing a query. So, subquery is basically a question within a question. So, subqueries can return individual values or list of records. Subqueries must be enclosed with a parenthesis. So this is the first query and this is the second one, correlated subquery. Query, also known as synchronized subquery, is a subquery instead inside another query that uses values from other query because the subquery may have been elevated once from each row processed by other query. It is inefficient. So first question, let's go for question note. So this point we have to use customer table and deposit and branch table. That is second. Next one, list the names of customers having maximum deposit. So here we have to give a get the name of that customer who has the maximum amount, deposit amount. So the second question, so list the name of customer. We are using in operator. So select the CNAME customer name from customer deposit where amount is. Select max. Here it will select customer name, CNAME from customer deposit table, and in that query we are using giving it to select the maximum. So this is how it works. And the second question is list the name of customers having deposit in the customers living in Nagpur. So here the first go, even we are using any here operator here. So customer name deposit where B name. So it will check for B names up to here, and then in subquery we are saying that B name is Nagpur. So Sunil and Anil are living in Nagpur. So we got those names, and give any customer in Karolbagh having any other name in Virar branch. So here we have two queries. So customer name. So the second, this in this question we have to search for a customer name in Karolbagh branch and any amount, and select the which should be greater than the any other customer from Virar branch. So Mehul is from Karolbagh branch and he has amount greater than the any other customer from VRCE branch. So the next question is, we got his name here, and the next question is list the branch series of Anil and Sunil. Use in operator. Select city from customer name where branch B name in. Select B name from customer deposit where Sunil. So here the first question is in the customer branch table where B name, and select B name from customer deposit where C name is Sunil and Sunil. So we have to, the first query will search for B names and the second query will check for the conditions here, and give the loan number and loan amount from borrowers having same branch or deposit that Sunil. So 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 here the loan number comma loan amount of borrowers Having here is depositor of Sunil. So here the customer, we have to check for the person who has same branch of Sunil and has and also display the amount of loan he has taken and his roll number. So in the branch of where Sunil, in the branch of Sunil, Mehul has Mehul has a loan of 5,000 with a number 206. So we got the result. And give names of borrowers having loan amount greater than the loan amount of Anil. So we have, at this point, we have to check the customer. See name from customer borrow where amount is less than the amount of Sunil. So we have to select the person, and here we have to use all operator. So we have to search for the person whose loan should be greater than the loan amount of Anil. So Mehul and Sunil have loan amount greater than Anil. So we got it. And list the names of customers whose deposit amount is greater than 1,000 and loan amount less than 10,000. So first question is, we have to search for the customer whose deposit amount is greater than 1,000. So, and the sub query is, select the customer name where the customers the loan amount is less than 1,000. So it is in operator. So first it will satisfy the first uh, first query, that is greater than 1,000, and then it will try to satisfy the second query, and that is less than 10,000. So only two names satisfy that condition, Mehul and Sunil. So that's it. And list all the depositors having the deposit in all branches where Sunil is having account. So select CNAME for the customer borrow where name customer deposits CNAME Sunil Mehul. So we have to select the customer who has amount who has the amount and loan where Sunil is having. So only Mehul has it. So it displays the CNAME as Mehul. So that's it. This is how it works. Thank you.